We do have some travel concerns looking ahead through the rest of the day today. A winter weather advisory. Now, it's not really what you think in terms of maybe inches of snow. The biggest concern today is going to be the wind, the snow already on the ground. Eventually, we'll see a few flurries, but we are expecting blowing and drifting snow. Already seen some problems out there in terms of low visibility, mainly off toward our western tier counties, but we'll be dealing with that winter weather advisory until this evening. Now, the winds are going to be a big issue today too. Right now we have a wind advisory off toward our south where we've got winds anywhere between 45 50 miles per hour coming in from the west. Now, it's not too bad right now, but you see that visibility has been reduced out toward Aurora and DeKalb. 3 miles for your visibility down to 1.5 miles. Temperatures on the flip side too. Not too bad as we start off our morning, but the winds are about to pick up even more. Already relatively strong coming in from the west. So these numbers that you're seeing in the 20s and 30s, you factor in wind coming in from the west at 30 miles per hour. It's going to knock it back to make it feel more like 2 out toward DeKalb, 7 in Aurora, 15 in Joliet. We have 21 in Midway, 16 degrees O'Hare for your feels like factor. Now we've got a few flurries also moving in this direction. Right now, not so much into the Chicago area, but just now crossing the state line, which will eventually reach our area. So with the combination with the wind, that's easily going to create near whiteout conditions across much of the region, which is why we've got that winter weather advisory posted with us. But we should be looking for calmer conditions as we head into the nighttime hours, but these wind chills really going to be a problem over the next couple of days. In fact, hanging out right around 0 through much of the day today, as cold as -3 out toward Midway, -2 for O'Hare, and these numbers get even lower through Thursday, and I do think that the worst of it is going to be Friday morning, anywhere between 10 and 20 below 0. That's going to be first thing Friday morning. So falling temperatures in the 30s now, eventually opening up at 19, and it'll get even colder through the rest of the day into tonight. A low of 7 degrees with sub-zero wind chills. Sub-zero wind chills looking likely all the way through Friday with highs in the teens. A quick recovery by Saturday with a high of 36, and then we tumble right back down Sunday into Monday.
I was going to say 36 is going to be balmy.